maybe Thursday, Friday.
Okay, sir.
Shyam,
Sir,
एक minute, let me talk to you. Yes, Tarun, you also are in radar. Yeah, come.
Sir, day after tomorrow school is there, sir.
yes,
So-
exactly. So,
so-
like,
After, I mean, once your school will open, you cannot write tests.
no, not sir, timing.
Sir,
Timing, to I will.
sir.
Don't worry, I will not take your school time to write test. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It will be a. You prepare. Your job is to prepare. Okay. Tarun.
Got it, sir.
Nini, I got it now. I should get something. Come. What you are doing?
So, me,
Yes. What is this marks? Hmm? Tell me honestly whether you're studying or not.
sir, actually, I did not prepare well for factorization, that polynomial
So
test.
you must be busy in your school homework, right?
No, sir.
Because you are not going out also. You cannot say, okay, I was out first thing. So you must be busy in your school homework, right? Tell me why you are switching off your mic. You must be busy in your school homework.
No, sir.
Then YouTube, which game?
Sir, actually, I did not prepare properly for
Pathetic marks, pathetic. Don't give any excuses. I did not study or did not prepare. See the time when you got message, everyone. See the at what, go to your WhatsApp, see at what time the paper was sent to you. Do you want us to take so much of pain? And you will give me this marks. Same for Shyam. Shyam, you are also busy, quite busy in your stuff, right? Tell me, Shyam. Give some excuses, very solid new type of excuse. Some innovative. What happened?
Like the last few questions.
Last few questions. Is it few questions? Very easy and straightforward questions. All. I have not come to that mode of class 8 which I was doing. You are getting step marking. Otherwise तो वो भी नहीं आता जो आ रहा है सबको. जो आ रहा है ना, that also you would not have got it. Giving you step marking. Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Why your voice is low? Something went wrong?
No, sir.
I cannot take it more. And I don't want to tell you every time same thing. Lohit and Arinja. Come online. Arinja, Lohit.
Yes, sir.
I am happy with both of you. You have bounced back properly. And I hope this will improve further.
Okay, sir.
Arinja?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have bounced back. Both of you have done well. And I'm expecting more from you. Okay. My expectation is more from you guys now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Navika,
Yes, sir.
doing good. I'm happy. Okay.
Yeah.
But again, you have to achieve centum.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Deepika,
Yes, sir.
you are also in downtrend, but not as like Vaibhavi. That's why I'm not telling you much, but you are also in downtrend. I'm just raising a flag for you. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Not very happy with your marks. Kaushal,
Sir?
have you understood this polynomial chapter properly?
Yes, sir.
Because there is an improvement in your marks and good improvement, which am seeing it. So should I consider that you have understood polynomial very well?
Yes, sir.
From a question paper or same type of question, I can ask you any day and you will have
Okay.
to answer me. Okay. So be prepared. In the class
Okay.
only I'll ask you.
Okay, sir.
Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
marks to everyone. She got full on full. And you are the highest among all three batches. One guy just behind you with 24 marks. Okay, he's from KV.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you are the highest among all around 56 students who wrote the same paper.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sanjana Ashita.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, where is Sanjana? She's not here today. She's absent. She's the one who is absent today. Okay, good, Ashita, but gone down. Marks gone down. Any problem?
So, silly mistakes.
That you have to fix. Okay. Ritvi. What happened? Not studying, na? Your voice is not audible, Ritvi.
Hello.
Be a bit louder. You keep your mic in front of your mouth. Can't hear you, Ritvi. You'll speak out something. Srinidhi, you did all the this question? 7C? RS?
Sir, last question
Last question. Okay. Others are doing RS Agarwal?
Yes, sir.
Ritvik. Ritvik. Am I not audible, Ritvik, to you? Ritvik. I think he's not in front of the system. Ritvi, now can you speak? You cannot speak. Ritvi, I'm asking you. Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
what is this? Hmm? Where is the problem? You didn't study?
No, sir, I studied.
Then where is the problem? The test, all tests are very straightforward question. Very straightforward. No twist and turn. Tell me, you have to tell something.
Yes, sir.
Study Ritvi, but otherwise marks,
Yes,
it will
sir.
not, you will not get marks even in school, I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I've completed.
Completed everything. Any problem anywhere?
No, sir.
Nothing, no? So you have done RS, you have done NCRT of lines and angles. Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll send you another book, that exemplar, then you can solve line and angles from that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
this one, one thing, are you making notes the way I told you in class 8?
Yes, sir.
You are making properly na, at one place all the
So,
theorems, proving and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. That's a good thing. And I'll show you that one. You can solve this lines and angles question from example which I'll share with you. Okay, there it's
Okay,
something
sir.
challenging which you'll enjoy doing it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Seven A. Who will have completed 7A? Raise your hand. Good. So 7A, no doubt, nothing.
I have 3 more questions to finish.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, do it. So good. 7B, anyone who have completed 7B? Okay. ठीक है.
Sir, doubts, sir. Doubt.
ठीक है, I'll take doubts. First, you have to do it. You have to do it by yourself. Whatever doubts you have, you try it again by yourself, solving those questions by yourself. Then only I will take your doubts. Okay, 7B, 7C, who all have doing it? At least 7C, who all are doing it? Okay, ठीक है. Finish it off. Tomorrow, I will take your doubts. Those who have doubts, please revisit those questions again and try to do it by yourself. It's more important to do it by yourself rather than asking me. I can solve all the questions, but it's of no use for you.
Sir, my father wants to.
I'll speak to him after the class. I'll call you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And be ready for the tests. I have announced in this week you are going to write test, date and time I will tell you. And I'm going to flash result. This result also I'm going to flash it. All the 3 batches.
Sir, only RS, right? Or also
Only
NCERT last exercise.
factorization. You cannot say only RS or only NCERT.
No, NCERT last exercise is factorization and then RS is
RS third exercise, both.
Yeah.
Clear?
all exercises. Yes, sir.
So in my book, R.S. Agarwal sir is little bit messed up. Like for you, chapter 7 is my chapter 4.
Okay. So which edition you have?
Sir, R.S. Agarwal and V. Agarwal, CC.
RS Agarwal and C Agarwal. V Agarwal.
V. Agarwal.
But I have already shared you, no? Scan paper, so scan page I'm sending you.
Yes, sir.
So where is the problem? I've already shared you everything. So tomorrow I will take all the doubts, but please, it's not like in one go you couldn't do. Okay, this is a doubt. Tomorrow I will ask. Where is Nachiket? Nachiket is here. Nachiket. Nachiket.
Sir.
Polynomial is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
But then the marks should improve.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, did I do well to your expectations, sir?
I'll talk to your father today.
Yeah.
Everyone, these theorems are very important. Make a notebook where you properly write all the theorems with proving I have already discussed. One or two if left out, that I will discuss it. But it should be at one place, because students have tendency to leave those theorems. So properly in a notebook, you have to write all these theorems with proving. Okay.
So the one that's there in the NCERT, right? All the ones.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. So I will do today.
Because geometry is a chapter where you should know, we should remember all the theorems and its proving. In your school exam, at least one or two question will be straight from theorem, and they will ask you to prove this theorem. Sure, short question. And rest will be application question, but at least one or two theorem you have to prove it. So if it is in one go, at one place, you can revise it and you can ensure that many marks. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm just jotting down the important question. In fact, the sure short question for you. Theorem, one or two question, 100% you will get in your marks, in your exam, school exam. Proving. So with understanding, you know, you should write those proving properly. And rest will be application based question which you are doing it.
So sir, so all these proving questions will be related to the theorems, the proof that is very important for all the other proving questions, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, sir. So I will do it today, sir.
Everyone has to do. Is it so? I'll do one thing. How many now? 7.3. How many you have reached to 7.3?
Sir,
Yes, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. So do it today. Everyone has to complete 7.3 till 7.3. Whatever balance question which you are not able to do, please go and try to do it again. Then finally, I will solve it tomorrow for you guys. Is it clear?
Sir, current was gone. Can you repeat?
I said you have to complete till 7.3, 7C today. Whatever questions you couldn't do it, try to do it again. Maybe in second attempt, you will get few questions solved. Rest, whatever is left out, tomorrow I'll take up all the doubts and clear all your doubts. Okay?
Sir,
Yes, Kaushal?
sir, can you send the solution of the test? Like,
I'll send it. I'll send it. Okay, so I'll end the session now. But you have work to do. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
thank you,
So
sir.
you said you will send
Thank you, sir.
the book.
I'll send it, Shinji. Don't worry. I'll send it.